10 Best Quotes of Film Vertigo, 1958. Vertigo is a 1958 American psychological thriller film directed and produced by Alfred Hitchcock. The story was based on the 1954 novel D'Entre les Morts, From Among the Dead, by Boileau's Jack, with a screenplay by Alec Coppel and Samuel A. Taylor. The film stars James Stewart as a former San Francisco police detective who has retired after an incident in the line of duty caused him to develop an extreme fear of heights accompanied by vertigo. He is hired as a private investigator to report on the strange behavior of an acquaintance's wife, Kim Novak. The film was shot on location in San Francisco, as well as in Mission San Juan Bautista, Big Basin Redwoods State Park, Cypress Point on 17 Mile Drive, and at Paramount Studios in Hollywood. Scotty, don't you think it's kind of a waste for the two of us, Madeline, to wander separately? But only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Scotty, you shouldn't keep souvenirs of a killing. You shouldn't have been that sentimental. Gavin Elster, Scotty, do you believe that someone out of the past, someone dead, can enter and take possession of a living being? Only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Madeline, this cryptic line hints at Madeline's mysterious past and her connection to Scotty. One final thing I have to do, and then I'll be free of the past. Scotty, this quote reflects Scotty's determination to overcome his acrophobia and obsession with Madeline. You shouldn't keep souvenirs of a killing. You shouldn't have been that sentimental. Scotty, this line highlights the film's themes of guilt, obsession, and the blurred lines between past and present. He did nothing, and the law has little to say on the subject of things left undone. Gavin Elster, this quote raises questions about responsibility and inaction, particularly regarding Scotty's role in Madeline's death. The color of your hair. Oh, no. Judy, please, it can't matter to you. Scotty, this line showcases Scotty's unhealthy fixation on Madeline, even projecting her image onto Judy. Anyone could become obsessed with the past with a background like that. Midge, this quote provides some understanding for Scotty's struggles, hinting at a deeper trauma related to his acrophobia. Scotty Ferguson, there is no way for them to understand. You and I know who killed Madeline. Gavin Elster, Scotty, do you believe that someone out of the past, someone dead, can enter and take possession of a living being? Judy Barton, if I let you change me, will that do it? If I do what you tell me, will you love me? Midge Wood, only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Scotty Ferguson, it's too late. There's no bringing her back. Madeline Elster, only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Scotty Ferguson, you shouldn't keep souvenirs of a killing. You shouldn't have been that sentimental. Gavin Elster, power and freedom. Judy Barton, I remind you of her. It's not very complimentary. Scotty Ferguson, did he train you? Did he rehearse you? Did he tell you exactly what to do and what to say?